Hello, staff. So I've had a few questions about office hours and how to get students from different classes into one Zoom. So all you have to do when you open your Zoom app is your personal meeting ID. If you copy that invitation and put that into Google Classroom, then those students will have the option to go to one Zoom. So I have under my classwork, I have a Zoom link, office hours Zoom. So this is the same link that goes into every class. So during my office hours, anybody can join if it's my period 2, 3, whatever, and they'll all come into the same office hours, the same Zoom link. I hope this helps.